Okay, there's lots of different ways to sight in a firearm. I'm specifically using red dots and I want them to be close before I even get out there on the range. So I use a Boresighter, and this is one that so far I'm pretty impressed with and I've been using, and I'm impressed with it for a couple of reasons. One, I like that it goes into the end of the barrel. You know, you can get like Boresighters that are actually like a small bullet that goes inside of your pistol. I like when you just put it in the end of the barrel. That way when I'm out on the range, if my red dot goes off because I've been shooting it a lot, or if I need to sight it in, I can just stick this in the end of the barrel, turn all the knobs on the red dot to get it to line up with this, take it back out and get going. I don't have to stick anything into my firearm because those things get stuck in there and then you have to have something to pry it out. It's just a whole mess. I prefer this. And this one comes with a bunch of different rubber bands for the different barrel sizes. It also comes with extra sets of batteries, so this will last quite a while. But the one thing that I love about this over most of them is that usually you have to put the batteries in here and then the laser is just on at all times. Then you have to take the batteries out when you're not using it. This one actually has a little kind of on and off feature. So right now it's on, and all you have to do is turn it just a little bit, and now it's off. No more laser. So you can just turn this, put it inside of its case, take it out when you want to use it, turn it on, put it in the end of your barrel, sight it in. When you're done, you take it out and turn it off. Now, I am using the white or the clear, which is the smallest rubber bands on my 9mm. It came with the black ones on it, which felt kind of tight to me. They have 3 different sizes depending on what kind of barrel you're going to put it in. This will fit in your 380. This will fit in your 9mm. For me, the white ones fit best in my 9mm and the black ones fit best in my 380. Hope that helps. But so far, I'm happy with this and I would definitely recommend it.